For fried small fish, we need 200 grams of small fish, 5 green chillies, 1 onion, 15 cloves of garlic, 1 inch of ginger, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt to taste, 4 tablespoons of mustard oil. Make a paste of onion, garlic, ginger and green chilies. Now add turmeric, salt and spice paste to the fish. Mix it properly. Now heat some oil in the pan. Now add the fish. Let it cook from both sides. Now it's ready. Take it out. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more recipes like this.